Well, across the state, voters approved a controversial amendment regarding abortion rights. This amendment will add language to the state constitution, making it clear that the right to abortion is not protected in the state. WDSU's Casey Ferran continues our team coverage today, and she explains why opponents of the amendment say it'll be harder to protect rights and fight future abortion restrictions. Casey.
Experts say this amendment is mostly symbolic, with Roe v. Wade still on the books, but advocates for abortion rights say this is an attack on the people who need those rights. Right now, there is no specific mention of abortion in the Louisiana Constitution, so the approval of Amendment 1 means language will be added saying there's no right to abortion or taxpayer funding of abortion in Louisiana. The New Orleans Abortion Fund worries people in Louisiana will be forced to bring pregnancies to term that they do not want and will lose their right to make decisions for their own lives, bodies, and families. The executive director, Stephanie Bangle, sent this statement saying, in part, "While you can still get an abortion in Louisiana today, we are up against a frightening and uncertain future. The right to abortion access is facing an unprecedented threat on the federal level, and in the case that Roe v. Wade is overturned, the politicians who put this on our ballots and the people who voted yes on this amendment will be responsible for the people they failed to protect." Now, we did speak to one Tulane law professor who says the amendment matters only while abortion is legal.
What is confusing about that for some is that we already have on the books a law that says if Roe v. Wade were to be overturned, abortion would be illegal in Louisiana. So this seems like a duplication of something that's already on the books.
Right now, there are only 3 clinics in the state that provide abortions, and Louisiana has more restrictions than any other state when it comes to abortion care. Reporting in the CBD, I'm Casey Ferran.